Nasaan yung Saturn mo? Sa birth chart. Kasi importante siya eh. Madami kasi natatakot when it comes to Saturn placements in their birth chart. Kasi nga tungkol siya sa discipline, tungkol na siya sa karma. Pero ano ba yung good thing na dala ni Saturn sa chart mo? Let's talk. Well, Saturn, as mentioned, is about discipline. It's about structure. It's about learning. It's also about karma. Maraming nagsasabi na mahirap gamitin or mahirap ayusin ang makipag-work with your planet Saturn because napakatagal bago makikita yung rewards. But the thing is, ang nakakatuwa, when you focus also or fix your Saturn or gamitin mo yung energy ng Saturn kung nasan man tong placement o anong sign siya under, you will be able to reap long-lasting reward. Let's say yung Saturn mo, it has a fire sign. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng problems or concerns. Nga pala, Lourdes. Magkakaroon ka ng concerns paano mo aayusin yung passion mo, but you will learn how to embrace it eh. You will learn how to adjust, meaning matututo ka paano maging mature in this sense. Andun yung the point of, which I call as the point of compromise. So let's say naman yung Saturn mo is nasa 12th house, like me. So you might be struggling. You might struggle for anxiety or hidden fears. But the good thing about this is kapag winork mo siya, you will learn how to fully understand yourself in a deeper way. Yun, kumbaga, you will know yourself better. And from there, you will know kung ano yung mga yung dark side mo. And this dark side is a place for you to find opportunity and wisdom. Kasi, unknown pa siya eh. So, it will help you para ma-expand mo yung sarili mo to be the better version of yourself every day. So anyway, nasan nga ba ang Saturn mo? Comment it below.